Hey everyone, in this video I will help you how to fix the issue of the apps still pending update on Google Play Store, but this is not going through and you still this error, this message that pending for hours, days without fixing, and the new change, the update is not installing correctly in your smartphone. Here how to fix. Here is an example of my smartphone. I have an update and it's going pending without fixing it. So the solution is simple. The first things you need to do is to click on Play Store, go to App Info, and first of all, force stop the app. And try again to see if the issue is resolved. If this is not working, go on Storage and Cache and click on Clear Cache, Clear Storage. So this is the first steps. If this is not working, you can do another additional steps, which is uninstall the update on Google Play Store and try again. If this is not working, then you need to go on Settings, Apps, search for all apps, click on Show System, and here we go to Download Manager. And click on Storage and Cache. And here again you do click Storage, Clear Storage, and Clear Cache. They automatically go when you click on the first one. And try again to download the apps. So now you need to get again to start to verify that you're using Google Play Stores, because you are resetting all the information. You need to add again the verification for purchase. I recommend to activate if you have a child around, because they can purchase without password. So re-enable these features and you can go again on Manage Apps and Device Update and click to download the update. If it's work, great, we are done. If it's not work, try even to reboot the device. Let me know if this fixes your issue or you're still facing the pending update error in your Google Play Store. Thank you for watching.